Lesson number 6 of breastfeeding. Today let's talk about the common problems faced by breastfeeding females. And the most common problem is low milk supply. बहुत सारी females को सिर्फ यही लगता है कि मेरा दूध कम पड़ रहा है and baby is not getting satisfied. The most common reason of low milk supply is improper latch and the infrequent feedings. So let's try. The latch is good. The baby is feeding frequently on your breast to create that demand and supply thing. And yes, it could be an actual problems in females who are facing hormonal issues like PCOS, thyroid and diabetes. But stay hydrated, take a balanced nutrition. The low milk supply will be taken care of. Second comes the nipple related problems, जिसमें soreness, crackness, flat nipples, retracted nipples, inverted nipples, large nipples and so on. बहुत सारी problems होती है. So cracks and soreness is mainly because of the improper latch when the bachcha is only sucking on the nipple. It could be because of the oral thrush and it could be because the tongue tie, the improper latch because of the tongue tie. Cracksness and soreness, first perfect the latch of the baby, and if it's still there, visit a doctor. The inverted nipple and the flat nipple shouldn't be a problem if the breast protactility is good. Check it out and then feed your baby. Now comes the breast related problems like engorgement, mastitis and the blocked ducts. Engorgement and blocked ducts are mainly because you are not emptying out the breast frequently. So if you feel engorgement and the tightness in the breast, just empty out your breast, give warm compresses, give a proper massage by your two hands. And if you feel the breast is warm, tender, it's very painful and you are having fever, the feeling of sickness, it could be mastitis that not need to be ignored. Please visit a doctor, take proper medications. So prioritize breastfeeding and stay tuned for last lesson.